So if you have an RB, probably remember this piece that's usually just into the block right there next to the thermostat. So you can throw that away and you can get a 1/2 by 14 NPS, which is a straight pipe and not an NPT like I got the first time. And it's a 1/2 to 10AN adapter and then a 10AN fitting, 10AN line to 10AN, and you can get brand new lines all the way to the firewall there, or you can get adapter. So basically it's a whole new setup in here. You don't have to worry about all the messiness of the original line. So I'm gonna try to go all full 10AN on the whole build here, along with stainless steel lines and new vacuum and everything.